Hi, today we're going to make a Bt21 Shooky baby. This is the character of one of the line friends, and this is very easy to make, especially for beginners. You will need these materials. You just need a glue and the felt, a color black and white, and you just need to cut in pieces and we will glue it later. You will need a size 3 yarn, and I use 3.5mm crochet hook, and of course you can use any kind or size of yarn. And you will need also a darning needle, scissor, and a stitch marker. Round 1, do a magic ring. Chain 1, and then do 8 single crochet inside the ring. And once you have 8 single crochet, pull the tail of the yarn, and then just repeat, do a single crochet each of the chain for 8 stitches or 8 single crochet around for 3 more rounds. Once done with the 3 rounds, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Count 4 rows or 4 rounds, start from the middle and then insert this feet right here. And here also count 3 rows or round to insert on the arm.